that makes you go, wait, what? It's the Peak Entertainment Buzz, brought to you by South Lake Village Rehabilitation and Care Center on B107.3. Hey, I'm Jill with your afternoon Be Entertainment Buzz. Some of your favorite American stars returning to the anthology series is next.
Sure, your knife's too dull.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to use a badass knife.
Yeah, you can have a knife for
Who's coming back for American Horror Story Apocalypse? Stacey Farminga, Gabourey Sidibe, Lily.
Chop some onions. Should I use? Anyway, what onion? We're just doing chunks here, so we don't need to be specific on how they are because they're just going, they're going to get blended later. So, one thing Jen does not like to do is chop onions. So.
Oh, damn it.
Hey!
What?
Tape it here.
Oh, damn it.
Damn it! Here we go. Say it in. That good? What do you think? Oh man, that's nasty. Oh no, that's just that size you want?
Smaller.
Small, okay.
So that it will, you know,
So we'll have everything that I did.
so that it will, blend up quicker, you know.
How's that?
Yeah, it's like some sideways now. Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah, that'll do.
This is how we prep our videos, just so everybody knows. We just wanted everybody to see what happens here. Good?
That's wonderful, Corey.
You gotta put your face in there, and you gotta lean down there and CC the thing and say, "That's wonderful, Corey."
That's wonderful, Corey.
Thank you.
I haven't finished my coffee yet.
It is 3:21 in the afternoon, but whatever.
I told you I was feeling tired. Remember that?
Yeah.
And you said, are you going to take a nap? And I said, no, I'll just drink some coffee.
So you're gonna power through it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you're going around?
Whoa, look at that.
The half a cup, or I told you it's over half. It's a cup, right?
It's almost a cup. I'll just
Yeah,
add a little
that's
bit.
what I thought.
I'll just add a little bit of white vinegar to top it off. Or balsamic vinegar, why not? What do you think?
No, you use soda.
Okay. Corey's the boss. Ugh.
Salt.
Do you have an open one somewhere of white?
Oh no. I know. I know. The only thing I have open is the apple.
So how come we have such a big jug of vinegar?
Because we were gonna make more pickles. That's why. Picklelicious. Don't screw that up.
That's me. Measuring to the T. And if it dissolves, it's not real sugar. Because the
What are you talking about? Trivia or whatever it is?
Splenda, it just like turns to powder in your fingers.
So that's not kosher salt then?
No, no, I'm talking about sugar.
Oh. Okay.
I know one time you added Splenda to your chili by mistake.
Yeah, that sucked.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. Thanks for telling everybody, by the way.
Corey put Splenda in his chili.
Take a bow.
Corey put Splenda in his chili.
Are you gonna roast that in the pan?
Yes. But I was
It's
going
gonna take forever today.
Well, we're not going to film it the whole time.
Are you gonna do it dry? Obviously. I just wondered. I didn't know what you were gonna roll with. Perfectly fine to do it that way. I'm just saying.
We don't want to use these ones.
Well, what's wrong with those?
I want big clothes. I guess I could use...
Picky.
I guess I could use that one. What do you think?
That's what you vote, I guess.
Well, then why are you giving me shit?
Because I can.
Boiling, getting the carrots started, and toasting the garlic. What do you?
Yeah,
So
I guess toast, roast, whatever you want to call it.
I think a roasting is putting it in the oven. You know.
Well, yeah, but you're releasing the sugars or whatever you want to say, I guess is fine. I don't know, it's doing a new thing, I don't know what that means. It definitely did not like the right for that. So I'm thinking that this is definitely needs to do better.
Alright, we'll test it. For you.
Right, you're on.
Okay, so today we're going to take some of these habanero peppers and turn them into hot sauce. So I'm going to get started by toasting 5 cloves of garlic.